I am challenging myself to find 10 ways to make an extra $1,000 per month and explain it in 10 minutes. I got no time to waste. Let's dive right in. What's up, guys? This is your boy Kenny Finance, and today we are talking about all things passive income. That is right. I am giving you guys 10 free ideas of how to make yourselves an extra $1,000 per month. And don't even cap. Everyone knows that they could have so much of an easier, better, more adventurous life if they had an extra $1,000 in their pockets every single month. And hey, these are 10 ideas. I'm not saying all of them are going to hit, but if they do, that's an extra $10,000 that you could possibly do if you have the time, energy, and the resources to knock out some of these 10 passive income ideas. So let's dive right in to number 1, freelancing. That is right. If you have a particular set of skills or expertise or something that the world needs, sell that service. There are so many platforms like Upwork or Fiverr for you to take your skill set, build yourself a little portfolio of things you've worked on in the past, and work and charge by the hour for someone that needs a task done. These could be things like writing, these could be things like social media management or photography or video editing or graphic design or app design, you name it. If you are extremely talented in something, and especially a digital skill, if you're extremely talented in that, sign up for these platforms and start making money by the hour today. And I saw somewhere that some of these freelancers are charging around $39 per hour. So what that means is you only need to work 26 hours to make an extra $1,000. Next, diving into number 2, online tutoring. Let's face it, kids today are in an educational crisis. Because of COVID, folks just aren't at par when it comes to learning their science, their reading, their math, X, Y, and Z. So they need help with after school or during school tutoring. And there's so many platforms like OutSchool or other platforms where you can just reach out to school districts and schools themselves and say, hey, I am knowledgeable in this particular subject. Are you open to hiring online tutors? And if you can do it in person, even better. But that's a double whammy because 1, you can make bank, but then 2, you can actually change a kid's life because you're providing them very sound academic support. And for tutoring, you can charge about $20 per hour, and you only need to make that $1,000 mark 50 hours of online tutoring. And if you're really good, you can knock that out in like 1 to 2 weeks. Number 3, sell products online. And for this, what I want you to explore are sites like eBay or my favorite site, Finder, which is a vintage shopping app, is take products, particularly things that are in your closet, and list those things online. And for this, you only need to list about $250 to $300 worth of products per week and do that for about 3 weeks to hit $1,000. And it's very simple. If you have clothes like vintage tees that you just aren't wearing anymore, sign up on Finder, post your products, and sell it for 30, 40, 50 bucks a shirt and sell it to shoppers all across the world. So don't let your unused goods prevent you from having monthly riches. So make sure you sign up for Finder and sell some of your vintage clothes if you have some of that in your closet. But if you don't, you can sell things like old sporting equipment or old collectibles or anything that you want to sell online. There is a platform to sell it. So there's no shortage of a way for you to get rid of some of the old junk you have or old clothes you have and start turning those things into cash. Number 4, sign up for TaskRabbit. That is right, the online platform for all of the handy men and women in the world. And whether you're good at hanging TVs or cleaning spaces or installing IKEA equipment, there is a job that you can post on TaskRabbit. And these things are in such high demand that any of these are going to get booked up ASAP. And what you can do is you can charge about $30 per hour for your service, and these things typically require a 2-hour minimum. So you could be making $60 per project. And you do about 2 of those per day, so 2 projects a day, you're making $120. That means that you only need to work 10 days on TaskRabbit to make $1,200 per month. It's easy money. So if you have the skill set and you have the tools, sign up for TaskRabbit. All right, number 5, pet sitting or pet walking. That is right. Those furry friends that everyone is having and everyone has in their apartments cooped up all day, they need to be walked and they need to have quality time outside. So why not be that magical person that's on Rover or any of these other online pet walking or pet sitting apps and start making a bunch of cash to spend time with some pets. And I don't know about you, but I would thoroughly enjoy making a bunch of money by cuddling with some Frenchies or going to take some dogs for a walk, it's a cheat code to having a very fulfilling life as well as making some extra cash on the side. And for that, all you need to do is charge $20 per walk or per sitting and just get 50 of those. And if you're a pet person, I don't think you'll have any problem finding 50 pets or a customer that wants you to walk the dog multiple times to get to that $1,000 mark. So charge 20 bucks per sitting or per walk and try to get 50 of those in a particular month. All right, number 6, renting out your car. If you have an automobile and it is sitting in your garage doing nothing all day, if you're on a trip and you're sitting in your garage, you are wasting money. So what you can do is you can list your car on platforms like Turo, and you can actually charge it by the day to have someone rent it out from you. And you can list your car, which I actually did. I have a Tesla and I listed it on Turo. You can list it for about 30 bucks per day, and all you need to do is list it out for a full month and you're making $1,000. But if you have a really good car, you can charge 50 bucks a day or 100 bucks a day, whatever that may be, and make a ton of cash. You could actually, if you have a really nice car, have $100 per day listing and make more than what the monthly payment is for the actual vehicle in 1 week. So check that out. Number 7, become a coach. And for this, I want you all to figure out what it is that you are exceptionally talented at. It could be dancing, it could be writing, it could be painting, it could be business, it could be technology, whatever that may be. And I want you to rent out your expertise. Right? There are a bunch of platforms looking for people that are knowledgeable, that can be mentors, and that can be coaches. And what I want you to do is rent out that expertise for 50 to 100 bucks per session. And these sessions can be 30 minutes to an hour, whatever that may be, set your own price. But I want you to start monetizing your expertise. And if you charge 50 to 100 bucks per session, you only need 10 to 20 of these sessions to actually make $1,000 per month. So take some time and think about what are you just incredibly good at, and try to find ways to monetize that by becoming a coach. All right, number 8. Whew, I need to take a break. And while I take this break, please hit the subscribe button down below, because I just gave you guys 7 ideas to make an extra $1,000 per month. So that's kind of worth $7,000. And all I'm asking is hit that subscribe button. Love you guys. All right, number 8 is to buy an investment property. And for this, we're gonna get a little creative. I want you to try to find a duplex, meaning a building or a home that has 2 units. And I want you to live in one and take care of your day-to-day housing needs. But then on the other one, I want you to rent that out. And rent it out in a way that covers the mortgage of the full duplex. And it also gives you an extra $1,000 per month. So for this, if you have a duplex, which you bought, and the monthly mortgage costs $1,000 per month, what I want you to do is rent out that separate unit, the second unit, and I want you to rent it out for $2,000 to pay off the mortgage and pay yourself $1,000 per month. Number 9, this one is very creative. I want you to explore starting a power washing or car washing business. And on the power washing, you can get these materials on eBay, Amazon, TikTok, whatever it may be. There are power washers everywhere. But the thing is, there are dirty sidewalks, there are dirty sidings on homes, there are dirty windows all over the place. And a power wash can do a lot of good into cleaning a lot of things and make you a bunch of money. Now, for example, if you have a power washer and you're cleaning a house or you're cleaning a commercial building, I want you to charge $100 per wash. And people will love that because you can clean it and they don't want to do it themselves, but then you only have to do 10 of those to make $1,000. And if you're really talented at detailing cars or cleaning cars, I want you to start a car detailing, preferably mobile business, and charge 20 bucks per car and just get 50 of those things lined up to get you that $1,000 per month. And the cheat code is we live in a society where technology and social media can take your small business and go viral. So when you have a power washer or when you have a detailing business, I want you to record content around you performing that service, and I want you to post every single day. And next thing you know, you have hundreds and thousands of followers and you have a backlog for months for your service. And if you have something like that, you can up your prices. And the last one, number 10, is build a community. I want you guys to build a community around a particular niche, whether it's finance or it's fashion or technology, whatever that may be. Build a community, sign up on YouTube, Twitch, Patreon, because you can start monetizing this community. You never know, you could have 1,000 folks on Twitch that want to donate to your live streams. And I think Twitch is paying like $5 per subscriber, so that's already $5,000. But little things like that can help you find ways to, 1, have your passion and put it out into the world, but then 2, get paid for it and find ways to monetize that community. Whew. All right, we did it. So those are 10 ways for you guys to make an extra $1,000 per month. And hopefully you can take one of those and execute on it, or maybe all 10 and make $10,000 per month. But hopefully those things help you. So if you enjoyed this video, I want you guys to smash that like button, and please, please, please take like 3 minutes to figure out which one fits you and actually give it a shot. And I want you guys to leave me a comment down below of which of those 10 ideas are you going to try today. And for certain, I can tell you that I won't lie, I haven't done all 10 of these. These are really good ideas, but I haven't done the pet sitting one because I have allergies. But I will tell you guys the 7 passive incomes that I have that made me $100,000 last year. So check out this next video and keep the momentum going, where I can show you guys this really awesome passive income strategy. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.